The following video will show you how to use the ACTI-VOC PLUS fast flow pump for active sampling onto a sorbent tube. In this video, we will demonstrate how to undertake indoor air monitoring. You will need a fully charged ACTI-VOC PLUS pump, a sorbent tube for calibration, a conditioned sorbent tube with long-term storage caps for sampling, a cap lock tool, a flow meter, and the hex key supplied in the pump's kit. The pump has two selectable flow ranges: low for 20 to 449 milliliters per minute and high for 450 to 500 milliliters per minute. Note that in high, the pump can sample up to 5,000 milliliters per minute, but this is not achievable when undertaking tube-based sampling. Turn on the pump. Insert the hex key and turn clockwise until either high or low range is displayed. To set flow, from the main menu, move the cursor to Flow Set. Use the plus and minus keys to select desired flow rate and press Enter. Next, attach the tubing and 1/8" tubing adapter to the pump. And push your sorbent tube for calibration into the adapter. The sampling arrow should be pointing towards the pump. When working with flows below 100 milliliters per minute, the back pressure adapter is recommended in place of the 1/8" tubing adapter. The next step is to connect the sampling end of the sorbent tube to a suitable flow meter. Select Calibrate from the Start menu. The display will indicate the set flow rate and the pump will begin to run in calibration mode. Use the plus and minus keys to adjust the flow rate on the display screen until it matches the flow meter, then press Enter. The pump will adjust based on the value that has been input. This step may need to be repeated until the pump flow matches the flow meter. When the desired flow rate has been reached, press Enter to set calibration and remove the calibration tube from the adapter. The pump is now ready for sampling. Note, the pump works in constant flow, which is recommended when working with thermal desorption tubes. Once calibrated in this mode, you can switch between tubes during sampling without the need to recalibrate. To sample, place the pump on a level surface in the atmosphere of interest. Remove the long-term storage caps from the conditioned sorbent tube using the cap lock tool. And push into the tubing adapter with the sampling arrow pointing towards the pump. Turn on the pump and leave to sample for a given time. Note that the pump can be turned on manually or set to turn on at a specific time and run for a set duration before stopping. After the sampling period has passed, stop the sampling event and record the sample time and total air volume displayed on the screen. Remove the TD tube from the tubing adapter and replace long-term storage caps to secure your sample. Your tube is now ready for analysis, and your pump can be used for additional samples at the same flow rate. To power the pump off, press and hold the power key until the power down window appears, and the countdown is complete. For more information, please visit marks.com.